Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Manu1202Sec1 GHAZALI, and in this video I will talk about CNC machining. So in this video presentation we are about to explain back on how we understand to write the CNC program and the basic codes for operating the CNC machine. So there is three main points in the programming CNC machine. The first point is definition statement. The second point is machining statement, and we have closing statement. So first of all, this is our our task. We need to do the programming for the CNC machine to run to make this sample. We choose to use incremental coordinate system, which is the code is G81, and then we set up the machine feed rate at 325 millimeter per minute and spindle speed 2200 millimeter per minute, and we set up the tool length to cutting depth 2.0 mm. So we look at the definition statement. We have the first line, we have the program number, and then we put the semicolon and go into the second line. We have safety condition, which is G40 to radius compensation cancel and fixed cycle cancel and incremental value command and rapid linear interpolation. The third line we set up the tool change. Then the fourth line we set up the spindle speed at 2200 feed rate, and MO3 is the command for the spindle to on, and MO8 for the coolant to turn on. We use G91 for the coordinate. We set up the incremental value, and this is this Z100 is the length composition for the tools to come out from its holder. And the last part of the definition statement, the last line we set the cutting depth of the machine. So on to the next presenter, my friend Fethi Ahmed.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Fethi. For the machine statement, left to the right, from point the G01, it's linear interpolation, and G02, it's clockwise circle interpolation. For from point 1 to 2, we use linear interpolation for 1.5 units at x direction only. Then clockwise circle interpolation from point 2 to 3 for 1.5 radius at 30 units x direction. And linear interpolation at 20 units x direction from 3 to 4, and again a linear interpolation from point 4 to 5 at 10 units y direction only. Next. Okay. For the closing statement, the first line G01 Z150, it's set the height of the tool cutting after finishing the machine, and the next line M05 M09 to make the spindle stop and turn off the coolant, and the last one M30 it's referred to the end of the CNC machine. Okay, thank you.